cmBuilder is a 100% web-based pre-construction planning tool. You can create countless projects located on a real map, import 3D models and drawings, create objects, and add resources on your construction site. cmBuilder also allows the creation of 4D simulations of the construction sequence using the models and resources on your site plan. So in this end-to-end video, you will see how you can create and plan a project inside cmBuilder and win more jobs. Once you log in, you start by creating a new project. Enter the project name, and after that, type the exact address of your project site. You can also add an image of your project. If you have a 3D model, you can start planning your site by first uploading the model inside the project. Next, create a scenario where you can now start planning and setting up your work site. In the site planning window, you can import 2D drawings. Use 2D drawings as a reference to position your building on the site and place other resources with reference to these drawings. You also get a good view of the surrounding buildings on this 3D map tile, where you can adjust the height and add colors to highlight any adjacent building. Now that the building is positioned, you can start adding resources, such as fence, excavation, in case you don't have a 3D model, you can use the 3D massing feature and plan your site with the exact replica of your building. Next, you can start placing parametric resources, for example office trailers, where you can change the parameters and position them on the construction site. Create milestones, for example a milestone for crane placement, where you can plan the position of the crane. Use 2D drawings to position your crane, and then you can change the crane parameters directly in the viewer. Use the point-to-point feature to measure distance between any 2 points. For example, measuring the distance between the building and the crane. Furthermore, you can create a simulation of your construction project sequence by hiding and unhiding the elements in the tree of the building model. Once you have created all the milestones, you can view the complete simulation in the presentation mode. Use this mode to navigate from end to end of the construction project. The resource cost schedule displays the master format Gantt chart for all the resources that you plan on using in the site plan. You can export the cost schedule to the PDF format as well. You also get a resource library which contains numerous resources that you can utilize for your site planning. And at the same time, you can manage the cost of these resources as well. You can create multiple scenarios in your planning phase. For example, you can create a 2 crane scenario and then compare this with a 1 crane scenario. You can use the 2D mode feature for planning and adjusting the crane outreach. The sectioning feature inside cmBuilder helps you to view the building section from any direction. Once you have finalized the planning of your project, you can export the site plan as a PDF, or you can generate a link which you can share with key stakeholders and they can view the 4D simulation of the complete project on any mobile device. So that's how you can plan your site logistics and transform client experience with visual representation of data. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website cmBuilder.io.